Sri Lanka is facing a severe humanitarian crisis as the death toll from Cyclone Ditwah rises to 123, with at least 130 people still missing. Massive flooding and landslides have devastated several districts, including Kandy and Badulla, leaving tens of thousands displaced. Rescue teams, supported by more than 20,000 military personnel, are working around the clock to evacuate stranded civilians and provide urgent medical care. Red alert warnings remain in place for high-risk areas as heavy rainfall continues. With major rivers swelling and floodwaters rising, authorities urge families in vulnerable zones to evacuate immediately.